In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Volvo XC60 located under your hood. Now open up the hood and locate your air filter lid right here. Now the lid itself is held in place by 4 T25 Torx bit screws. There's one here, 2 over here, and then 1 over on the back side. Let's go ahead and tackle the 3 easy ones. We're going to be reusing these, so don't lose them. Some of these here are a self-retaining per se. So that means that they'll actually stay in place even after they're unscrewed. Just want to make sure that they're going to stay. Okay. And then in the back over here, we're going to get to this one. You're probably going to need a drop light or some sort of light source to check that out in the back. So the best way to locate this one here, right on this curve, drop that down, and that's where it's going to be. Let's go ahead and lift up on this gently. Now after you have your 4 screws loose, come on over here. This little bracket right here is a headlamp retainer, and you can't pull this up and out because it's going to hit this. So what you want to do is grab this, gently wiggle it, and pull it up. Now that we have our headlamp bracket pulled up, it doesn't have to come out all the way in most cases. Go ahead and grab that lid and lift it up. You can kind of finagle this around this a little bit, and then you should be able to reach right in there and grab that filter. Go ahead and work that up and out. Go ahead and take that filter, snake that right down inside. Now it's only going to go in one way. It has an angle on it, so that needs to be facing towards a headlamp. Make sure that fits in there nice and it's even all the way around. And then go ahead and lower that lid back down, finagle it right around that headlamp locking bracket. Now you want to pay attention right over here. There's a little harness. Sometimes a little harness might pop off in the back. It just fits right onto the little tab. Push that back down into place. Work that down into place. And I like to go ahead and get these screws just started. A couple threads. Then we can go ahead and run them down with the ratchet. Once that bottom's out, just snug it gently. It doesn't have to be super tight. Bottomed out just a tiny bit. There it is. Don't forget to pop that headlamp bracket lock down, pop that back down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.